Hackers are targeting your iPhone right now. Apple's iOS 18.4.1 update just dropped to fix critical security flaws. Want to stay safe? Let's dive in. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're talking about Apple's urgent iOS 18.4.1 update released on April 16, 2025 to patch two major security holes in your iPhone. This is a must install, so stick around to learn why and how to update. Apple dropped iOS 18.4.1 to fix two real-world security flaws hackers are actively exploiting. These bugs could let attackers access your data or mess with your device. Unlike the big iOS 18.4 drop, which added Apple Intelligence tweaks, this update is all about keeping you safe. It was warned that iOS 18.4 already fixed 62 vulnerabilities, and these new patches are just as critical. Whether you're on an iPhone 15, 16, or older model, you need this update now to lock down your phone. Why the rush? Hackers don't wait. X is buzzing with users urging everyone to update, and sources note that Apple's pushing this hard to protect millions of iPhones. If you skip this, you're leaving your personal info like photos, messages, or even bank apps wide open. The good news? iOS 18.4.1 is a quick install with no new features, so it won't change your setup. It's just pure security, built to keep your iPhone as secure as Fort Knox. Here's how to get iOS 18.4.1. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see iOS 18.4.1, hit Download and install. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have at least 50% battery or plug-in. It just takes a few minutes and you're protected. Here's a pro tip. Turn on automatic updates to stay ahead of future patches. Sources say this is one of the easiest ways to keep your iPhone secure, so don't sleep on it. This update isn't just about tech, it's about peace of mind. Your iPhone holds your life. Photos, messages, passwords. iOS 18.4.1 ensures hackers can't touch that. With iOS 18.5 beta already out, Apple is moving fast to keep you safe. X users are calling this a wake-up call to prioritize security. Don't wait for a breach to act. Update today and keep your digital life locked down.